going on, everybody? It's Thursday, 7:52 at night. I got a call for I'm here at the Delaware house right now. Just got off the phone with the driver, see where he's at here at the Delaware house. So I got a call for a Mack, for brake smoking on a brand new Mack. So we're gonna check it out and see what's going on with it. It's a 2022 or something like that. My boss says it's brand new. Apparently he's delivering it or something. And the brakes are smoking. So I don't know if he has a trailer or if he's doing his bobtail or what's going on. But we're gonna check it out and see why the brakes are smoking. Not a fan of Mack trucks, Peterbilts or KWs, because they're not friendly to work on and they're hard to diagnose sometimes. So he says he's up here in the front by the Snowco. I think I see him right there. So we're going to check out his truck. If I can't get under it, he's gonna have to ride it up on blocks for me. I don't know how much you're all gonna be able to see on this one, but that's Sunbelt. That's gotta be it. Oh yeah, okay. So he's bobtail. Whoop. And this lady's not watching where she's going because she's texting. And there, okay, so that's gotta be him right there. I thought she was gonna run into my damn truck. She's sitting there walking and texting. I don't know if y'all saw, you probably couldn't see that. She's texting and she's like getting ready to run inside of my door there, not paying attention. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. See if it's anything we can do, or we might just have to readjust the brakes and stuff. So. What's up, man? So what's going on with the truck?
It's smoking in the back. I just got to release the brakes on.
Say it again?
Just release the brakes.
Uh-huh.
Just a little bit, because it just keeps smoking.
Just the rears alone?
Yeah, it's just this side right here.
Oh, just the one wheel?
Yeah, just this one.
Okay. But the rest of them are okay?
Yeah, the rest of them fine.
All right. All right.
Yeah, they always come out. They coming out of the factory, and they sometimes sit so long that they sit too long, and sometimes they tighten it up. Sometimes like this is the second time I had this problem with a truck like this, and it's the same as that spot. So.
Well, it couldn't have been sticking to the drum. Where'd you pick up the truck?
McCundry.
Where's that at?
If you go up Philly, and I believe it's I-47.
Yeah, no, that's all I need to know. So you came all over from Philly to here,
Yeah.
but it wasn't smoking. When did it start smoking?
It started smoking like a mile or two ago.
Okay, so yeah. So it wasn't really stuck to the drum because it had been smoking that before you even got out of Philly. It had been smoking before you even got near the highway, probably. But maybe the brake, maybe the brake's tight or something. So let me see what kind of adjustment we got on here. Man, it's not the chamber.
Maybe she take the drum.
Well, if it's tight, you know, if the brake adjustment's not right, they can be tight because everything's new on a truck. The brakes are like, bam, this thing. So, and a lot of them, they'll adjust the brake a quarter back when they're new brakes instead of half. So it's best to adjust them back half and not quarter. Because what happens is when they're brand new brakes and drums, when you adjust them back just a quarter, then what happens is they'll tend to drag the drum a little bit, until the brakes can break in and all that stuff. So, do me a favor, I'm gonna go get my block, start the truck up, build up to 120, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chalk the tires. I'm gonna have you pushing the button, and I want to see where the gap is on that drum.
Okay.
And what Start the truck, build up the air to 120. I'm gonna chalk this truck, and I'm gonna have you pushing the yellow button only. And I want to see what if they're tight or not. And then if I have to, I'll readjust it.
Okay.
And then we'll see. Is it still dragging? Did it feel like it had a drag to it?
I feel like it had a drag.
Okay. All right. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to readjust that brake. He says it's only the one wheel. And I'm going to adjust it back to half. And like I said, the whole truck's brand new. Oh no, that could be, do they have, so he's a transfer driver. And what he does, he picks up the trucks from the factory and he takes them to wherever they have to go. So he travels across the United States delivering trucks. That's why he has a car back there. So, because then when he's done, he can drive to his next job and pick up the next new truck, or ride back to wherever he's out of and pick up another truck. So we're going to chalk this drive wheel back here and get what I need. This adjustment, I'm going to need a screwdriver. This is a 5/16 adjustment. That's it right here. I put the, oh, that's not it either. Damn it. Okay. Try to put this. I got a special socket for this. Yeah, it's probably jumped out of the spot. I had it right here, but I think it might have jumped out of the socket, out of the. This might be it right there. Nope, that's not it either. That's not it either. I think it jumped out of its place for sure. There it is. See, it jumped out of its place, and bam, this is what it looks like. This is a special for the 5/16 adjustment. This is a snap one. I've had this one for a long time. And I'm gonna just need a screwdriver. Guess this one will do. I really need that one that big. All right. All right. All right, so do me a favor, go ahead and push in the red button, or excuse me, push in the yellow button only. All right. I'm sorry? I can't hear you.
Leave my feet on the brake?
No, leave your foot off. I got two chalks on your wheels. So just go ahead and release it, and we're gonna let the truck do whatever it needs to do. You off the brake? Okay. Button's pushed in? Okay, so it didn't even coast back or none, so it's good. Okay, so you can go ahead and you still got 120 in there? A little less, just a little below? Okay, all right, that'll do then. Go ahead and shut the truck off, but don't hit the brake or anything, okay? All right, and I'm gonna get behind there and I just want to check out a couple things.
Okay.
All right. All right. I wonder if I gotta adjust this from the top side. Okay, so they are pretty tight to the drum. They got that stupid safety bar on there. I can't get under that. Just want to make sure this thing ain't hot. Okay, so they are pretty tight to the drum. I gotta imagine either it wasn't adjusted right, or it's backed off to a quarter. So let me see if I can crawl in between the wheels. Gotta be able to get to it. There, let me take you guys off. I'll set you down in the tripod mode. Oops. See that? So we're going to readjust it. They are tight up against the drum. Okay. Yeah, they're tight against the drum. That one has a little bit gap on it, so maybe they forgot to adjust this one, or they backed it off a quarter on this one's just catching. And this one's just catching the drum, dragging on the drum. So we're going to tighten it down to the drum. All right. Oh, shoot. Okay, you see that? I didn't even get a quarter out of that. So yeah, so it's tight. I mean, it's out. It's not the right adjustment. It's not. That's less than a quarter, so that would be dragging. That would be dragging. So we're going to do a half on this royal, like that. Bam. And then this locking, I have to pull that out to get this to unlock so I can make the adjustment. And then I just make sure it's locked. It's locked back. Yeah, see, now I can move the drum a little bit. So that's half back. I wonder if I should do them all. Said he wasn't having any problems with the other ones. Jesus. Alright. I wonder if I should do them all. I mean, that one there, I can see a little gap between the drum and the shoe. You said it was only this wheel. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna leave y'all there. Wasn't even So what we're going to do is we're just going to readjust all the brakes to my adjustment. So that way he doesn't have any more problems going down the road. So we'll finish the rear axle, and then we'll go and do the front axle. Hopefully I can get to the front. Lucky there's enough space in between the wheels for me to do this. Alright, hopefully I'm not over getting through here. Alright, so we're going to adjust this one too. Let's see. Alright, so this one was adjusted just a little over a quarter. This one was fine. But at least now they'll run even if I adjust these half. Come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. And then we'll just do half. Ah, come on. I'll let the lock. What the hell? I don't know what's going on here. Yep, there we go. If you have pressure on this, it's hard to unlock. Alright, so we're gonna go one and half. We do that again. There we go. Okay. Half. There. Lamp. And bam. Alright, so that's about half right there. Make sure it's locked, pushed in. Okay, so that one's done. So we're gonna do the front. Let me get out of here first. So that's all it was. That one brake adjustment here on the right side rear wasn't adjusted properly. So, and like when these things come off the factory, I did find out about a driver. This is a 2023 Mack truck. He's delivering it. I'll be right back with you. That's far enough. I can grab that camera from there. I'm coming. Get you guys over here. Alright, so we're going to adjust the fronts, and that's going to be it for this one. See, this one even looks tight right here. I can't barely see any gap in there. So let's find out what this one has. Okay, this one wasn't even a quarter. So I'm pretty sure this one was dragging. You can tell also it might have been dragging because of the, see the light brown on that? It might have been smoking also. He just might not have seen it. Alright, so we're going to adjust this one. And it's less than a quarter. It's got to be at least a quarter, but with the new brakes here, it's best to adjust them half back, not quarter back. The only time you do quarters is when the brakes are half low. Bit that way because I couldn't get it full, and that way right there. Oop, there we go. Oh, there we go. All right, that's half back there on that one. Turn around, and we're gonna do that one. Probably can't. I'm gonna be able to see this one. too good. Well, this one looks like it's been adjusted right. Anyway, I was trying to say, when these things come off the factory, you know, they might have just forgot to, they might have thought they adjusted it. Alright, that one was barely a quarter too. Alright, but it was more of a, towards a quarter than anything. So we're gonna adjust this one. Alright, and then like I said, we'll be done. Pop this tab out here. And one, man, half. That's half right there. Make sure this is popped in. Okay, so that's it. So they're all readjusted. I'm glad I decided to adjust them all because they only that one in the rear left side was the only one that was adjusted back to a quarter. But like I said, brand new brakes, you should adjust them halfway, not a quarter, because the shoes will tend to drag the drum until the brakes break in. Brakes in the drum break in. All right, close your eyes. You get seasick. Oh, there we go. All right. So let me put you back on my neck. We're gonna be done here. Talk to the driver. We're gonna do a little check operation. I'll make sure. We're gonna make sure the socket adjusters work and stuff like that. All right, and then have him get off my blocks. Okay, so there was a few of them that were under a quarter adjustment, so it was best. Only one was about a quarter. The two up front here, they were less than a quarter. So they were probably, that one there was probably dragging, but you might not have seen it because you got them those fenders on something, stupid fenders. So when a tire blows, it messes up the fender there, the well fender. Well, I hate the fender ones, so yeah, I mean, they do it, I guess, that way if they bobtail whatever, because they haul tankers, I do believe. I think these guys haul tankers, so one of the wheels are showing, and they go through a lot of mud and dirt, so it'll help to keep it from spraying them. So okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go around each one. I'm gonna watch each slack adjuster. I just want you to push the brake down. You don't have to push hard, just push the brake down.
As it is now?
Yeah, leave everything the way it is. I'm gonna go and make sure each slack adjuster is applying, and then we'll have you build up the air, and then we'll go back and forth. You tell me if it feels a little bit better or not, okay? All right, so listen for me. All right. Okay, hit the brake. All right, let up. Okay. Hit the brake. All right. All right, hit the brake. All right. Hit the brake again. Okay. All right, go ahead and pull the yellow button out. 2023. Get a good look at it, everybody, because once this thing gets put to work, it ain't gonna look this thing. So I was right, it was a 20, so they're putting out 2023 models. I usually do it late at the end of the year. So. Yeah, go ahead, push in the brake, kind of back up and just pull forward and see how it feels. Huh? Oh, go ahead. Is your car running?
Yeah.
Oh.
I gotta let it charge. I'm letting it charge my battery.
Oh, okay. Had to put his vehicle in neutral. What's wrong? Huh?
Manual wise, I gotta just let it sit for like 3 minutes.
Oh, what for?
Put it in neutral.
You gotta let it sit for 3 minutes? No.
I leave it in neutral for like 3 minutes. Then cut it off.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn. Never heard of that before.
I don't know. That's what the manual says. So I try to do that. I don't know.
Huh. Is this all-wheel drive? You have the you got the Gage 4-wheel. Is it a full-time all-wheel?
I just always feel full.
Always. Whoa, man.
You can't cook it than the other guy.
Huh?
I said you can't cook it than the other guy.
Sorry, I didn't hear you
I
say.
said you can't cook it than the other guy.
I did? Yeah.
What was it? Last time it happened to me, I sat there for like 4 hours.
Oh, no, 4 hours? Damn. Well, I start at 7 at night, so
Oh, you did?
yeah. All right. Like I said, just back up a little bit, just a little bit. Tell me how it feels, and I'm gonna go around and watch the other wheels as you go forward. Probably want to turn y'all's volume down. All right, hang on. I'm gonna go around and watch the other wheels, okay? He didn't really move it back far enough, but I mean, they look like they're rolling pretty freely. All right, go ahead. Yep. Keep going. All right, see, they're rolling good now. Okay. I know you didn't go back far enough, but does it feel better? Does it feel better than it did before? It does? Okay. I wanted to just roll a little bit. So, yeah, I mean, you don't have to, you know, just enough so you can feel it better than just a little bit. So, yeah, just go ahead and back up further than what you did. And see all the wheels? Yeah, they're rolling a lot freer. Yeah, okay. All right. Yep. Okay. Feel better? Okay, let me get some info and then you'll be on your way. Yeah, man. That's so funny he says that. He's like, I got here quicker than the other guys did. Last time he had to wait 4 hours. Funny part is my boss forgot to give me this an hour ago. He got this thing, I think at, I don't know, 8:30 or something. No, not 8:30, I'm sorry, 6:30 tonight. Did I put my blocks in there? Yeah, they're on there. And then he's calling me at 7:15, telling me, oh, I forgot to send you a picture. So, anyway, so he says I got here quicker than the other guy. Oh. So, we'll leave it at that for sure. So, I guess it would seem quicker if the other, when this happened to him last time, it took him 4 hours to get out there for this. Apparently he says this happens quite a bit. So I just think when they come off factory, they're not, you know, they're not going to catch everything. So hear that, or someone doesn't adjusting them right. What is that? That's a plug, but I don't want to run it over anyway. Okay, so it looks like that's going to do it for the night on this one. Well, at least on this roll call, it's not going to do it for the night. Hopefully I'll get some more to show you. So that's going to do it for the night. I keep saying it. That does it for right now on this roll call. So I'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a good night.